welcome to Little Luxuries with Lynn. Happy to have you here with me today. Speaking of today, we are going to get into a box called Short Story. This box is a clothing subscription that caters to women 5'4" and under. All you simply have to do is pay the $25 style fee, which gets credited back to you if you purchase anything. You fill out the style quiz and you tell them a little about your budget and what your likes and dislikes are. Along with that, they provide sizes 0 petite all the way up to 18 petite. And I think that is just about it. Let me take a look in my little journal. Has all my notes. Returns and exchanges are always free. Shipping is free. And that just about covers it. So let's get into the box and see what they sent me. This is my first box with them, and I'm very excited because I come in at 4'9" 3/4 inches. So let's get into the box. Right on top here is a list of my items. And then inside, they actually send you a tape measure, a cloth one. And they ask you to do some more measurements so that they can fit you even more detailed. I think that's brilliant. All right. And then here is the bag that you return everything into. Of course, already labeled. And this goes through the USPS. And then it's wrapped up in pretty tissue paper. Just nice with a nice little sticker on there. And as you see, there looks to be an accessory here. We'll look at that last. All right, so let's see what they sent me. I'm very excited. I'm going on a 2-week vacation up to see mine and my husband's family. So I'm looking forward to having a new wardrobe, possibly. Okay. All right, so here we have, oh, this is beautiful and it's gonna fit very nice. It's a nice, cute dress. And I'll try all this on so you can see how well they fit me. And if you're 5'4" or under, there is a referral code, a link down below, that you get $25 credit, and in exchange, I as well get $25 credit. I appreciate you clicking on the link. It helps me continue getting boxes. All right, next item. Here we go. And this looks to be another dress. I did tell them I was looking for dresses. It seems like I've told everybody dresses, but nobody has been able to fit me the right height. All right, this is real pretty. The pattern is a floral with pink and yellows in it. It's really, I like it, very pretty. And then the top has straps, both in the front. Oh no, just in the back. Very cute. I like the V-neck and the high waist. All right, what do we have next? This is darling, another dress. Oh, this will be very cute. I just hope it fits. It's Vince Camuto. Is that how you say it? Or Vince Camuto? But all his clothes run a little small. So we'll see if this fits. And I'll give you sizes and designer once we're trying this all on. Next item is a pair of shorts. They must think I'm really skinny because I don't know if I'm gonna fit in these. These look really tiny. And if they fit me, that must mean I don't understand my size. They did send me a large, so maybe they have a lot of stretch to them, but they're cute. I forget what they call these, paper bag shorts? But they're all in petites. All right, and then the next is a pair of denim shorts. I don't know how much I like these, but they are a high-rise short in a size 30. And it's just the denim color I don't know if I'm crazy about. So let's get busy and try some of this on. So here we have the first pair of shorts. This is just one of my tops that I bought from Express. That's where they came from. But the shorts are cute. I don't know if they're to my liking. I love how short they are. That's perfect length for me. I don't like elastic that hits me right here. That just accentuates my pooch, if you want to call it that. But they're super cute. It's a matter of me being comfortable in them, and I'm not certain. I'd have to wear them around the house a little bit more. But these are the Nora cinch waist striped paper bag shorts by Love T in the color black, size large, and $37. I think that's a perfectly wonderful price for a pair of shorts. Let's move on to the second pair of shorts. So here we have the second pair of shorts. They are full elastic, like jegging material. I like my denim shorts to have a little denim in them. These are just straight up a jegging short. They're cute. They fit really nice. I just would rather they not be completely tight on the leg. But these are 3-inch mid-rise, which is what I always like. They call them the butter short, and the designer is 1822 denim, and it is a 30-inch, but they said it fits like a 31, which they're correct, and these are $46. I think the prices are fantastic. I'm seeing them for the first time along with you, and they're all really reasonable prices. You'll be shocked at some of the prices for the dresses. Speaking of, let me try on the first dress. I'm excited about this. So here is dress number 1, and I'm pretty sure y'all can see the problem with it. I don't ever let myself go out in public like this. I would have to wear something underneath it or pin it. I'm not gonna move too much because I don't want it to open up any further. But this is a cute dress. I will be requesting this in a larger size and see how that fits. And this is the Eve Faux Wrap Dress by Petite Principal, blue dot, large petite. And this dress is $62. I think that's a fantastic price. It's super cute. It hits above the knee. It doesn't hang too long in the back. It's got a cute little ruffle on the end. I think it's a beautiful dress, and I'm gonna definitely look forward to getting it back in a bigger size. And I'll probably let you all know how that worked out for me. I'll try on the last piece, which is another dress. Oh wait, no, I have 2 more dresses. We'll try the Vince Camuto one on right now. All right, so here we have Vince Camuto dress, and this is a beautiful coral orange color. Some tags hanging out. I'm madly in love with this. This is beautiful. I love it on me. I probably, for comfort's sake, I could probably ask for a size up. But I've been working out every day for quite a few weeks now, and I'm gradually losing weight. I might hold on to this dress in this size as some inspiration to get down another 5-10 pounds. But this dress here is Petite. It's a shift dress by Vince Camuto in the color coral. It's a 14 petite, but fits like a 12 petite, which I would agree. And this dress is $68. I'm in awe of these prices. I guess I was expecting prices to be a little higher because of the specialty of the petite. I'm thrilled. I love this dress. I'm all about this. This is cute. I love the scallop hem, and I love that it hits me right at my knees. I can't believe how important it is to have petite items in order to fit you and make you feel so good. And this dress makes me feel amazing about myself. I have one more dress. It's a maxi dress, and fingers crossed that works out too. Okay, last dress. This does fit me perfectly. I know you probably can't see it, but it fits me perfect if I wanted to wear a pair of sandals, flats, and it still wouldn't drag on the ground. Big problem being it is far too tight. I didn't even know if I wanted to show you all this dress. I definitely need a size up. Let's see what size they did send me. Here it is, the maxi dress by Vera Moda, which is a brand that I'm familiar with as far as Petite. It's a large petite for $42 for a maxi dress. This one too, with that price tag, I'm exchanging for a size up. This is cute. It would be cute on, just another size bigger. I'd feel a little less conscious of my size. I could maybe breathe a little more easily, but it's adorable. The front and then the back have the straps. So the last piece we have to look at is the accessory they sent along. And it is both earring and necklace set. So it's a hammered, like a little hammered disc on a chain with just some gold ball earrings. I'm gonna have to let them know that I really can't wear costume jewelry. When I do wear it, my neck and my ears break out. The only thing I can wear sometimes is bracelets. But this piece here, let's see. And this piece is gold and $18 for a necklace and earring set. I think that's brilliant. I'm really quite happy with these prices. Yeah, so this is my first experience with them, and I will be ordering boxes on the regular from them. I'm really excited about the dress lengths. That's probably the thing I'm most excited about. Well, thanks so much for staying here with me. Please, if you would, hit the like button, subscribe along with the little bell. It helps my channel to continue doing this. Thank you so much. Have a great day.